Hey guys, welcome back to another creative photography video, and if you are new here, welcome. In this particular video, we are going to be capturing shots like this. We're going to be using water, and most importantly, I am going to go in depth on some of the difficulties that I ran into in shooting a few of these pictures. Hopefully that'll help you learn from my mistakes, if you will, and allow you to go out and shoot similar images, but way more prepared. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. In this shot, you can see I am actually just getting my settings right, because as we proceed through the video, I will only be using one hand. And in this shot, you see I'm holding this clear plexiglass up, which helps protect the camera against the water. And then I had the model just kind of throw the water at the frame. And in this shot, you can see that we are getting some decent results, but not exactly what I want. So I decided to put the frame horizontally and try this. I had the model actually throw the water a little bit more upward, and that started to give us a result that I was more happy with. So I went back to a vertical portrait shot like this and had the model throw the water upright, and this was the result. Now we're getting a little bit closer to kind of the ideas that I see in my head. One thing to note here, you can see I pulled the frame away from the camera because it was having trouble focusing. So pulling the frame out, I was able to focus on the model and get this shot. And that is going to wrap up this creative photography video here. I hope you were able to learn from some of the things that I found difficult in shooting in a situation like this, and make it a little bit easier for when you go out and shoot these types of images. Now with that said, thanks for watching, and don't forget that we have a ton of really awesome contests going on over at ViewBug.com. I will go ahead and link a few down below for you guys to check out, and with that said, I will see you all in the next one.